8 ways to get high-quality content for your e-commerce business without spending a fortune. Anyone running an e-commerce business knows that high-quality content is essential for driving traffic and sales. But creating great content can be challenging, especially if you are not a writer. Fortunately, there are plenty of ways to get quality content without doing it yourself. In this video, we'll outline 8 of the best methods for getting great content for your e-commerce business without breaking the bank. So whether you are looking for ideas or someone to help produce the content for you, read on. If you are running an e-commerce business, high-quality content is essential to your success. Not only do visitors to your site expect to find accurate and well-written product descriptions, but search engines also favor sites with informative, keyword-rich content. So how can you get high-quality content without breaking the bank? One option is to pay for professional content. While this may seem an expensive proposition at first, it can save you money in the long run. Professional writers know how to create engaging content that appeal to your target audience and search engines. In addition, they can often complete projects much faster than you could on your own, freeing up your time to focus on other aspects of your business. So if you are looking for a cost-effective way to get high-quality content for your e-commerce site, consider paying for professional assistance. Paying for professional assistance can still be a costly investment for some people. One way to get around this is to ask your friends and family to write for you. They will not only be happy to help, but they can also provide insights into your products that only someone with personal experience could provide. For example, if you sell baby clothes, having a parent write about the clothing can add credibility that would be difficult to achieve with a professional writer. So next time you're looking for ways to cut costs, consider reaching out to your loved ones and friends for help with your content needs. Creating new content can be time-consuming and expensive. Fortunately, there is a way to get high-quality content on a budget: repurposing old content. By repurposing existing content, you can breathe new life into old material, reach a new audience, and save money. For example, you could turn an old blog post into a new video or podcast episode. Or you could take an existing piece of copy and create an infographic or infomercial. With a little creativity, you can easily repurpose old content and use it to drive traffic and sales. So if you're looking to get high-quality content without breaking the bank, repurposing old content is a great option. Many e-commerce business owners think they need to spend a lot of money to get high-quality content for their website or blog. However, this is not necessarily the case. There are a number of ways to generate creative and unique content ideas without breaking the bank. One way to get high-quality content on a budget is to reach out to industry experts and ask them to contribute an article or two. It will not only provide you with fresh, insightful content, but it will also help build your reputation as a trusted source of information. Another way to get creative with your content is to crowdsource ideas from your target audience. Ask your fans and followers what kinds of topics they would like to see covered on your site, and then use their suggestions to generate new ideas. Finally, do not be afraid to experiment with different formats and styles of content. A mix of text, images, video, and audio can help keep your readers engaged, and you may be surprised by how much creative freedom you have when you step outside of your comfort zone. Getting creative with your content strategy can save money while still providing valuable information for your readers. Another thing that you can do is collaborate with other businesses. For example, you could write a guest blog post for another company in your industry or exchange links with a related business. Not only will this help save you time and money, but it will also give you access to a wider audience. When done right, collaboration can be a great way to get the high-quality content you need for your e-commerce business. You may also reach out to influencers in your industry and ask them to review your products or services. It can be a great way to get honest feedback about your business and generate some buzz for your brand. If you have more budget to spare, you may want to consider hiring a professional copywriter. A professional copywriter can help you create high-quality content for your e-commerce business. Copywriting is the art of creating persuasive, attention-grabbing text that sells products or services. A skilled copywriter will understand how to craft an engaging message that speaks to your target audience and convinces them to take action. While you could try to write your own copy, it is often worth investing in a professional who can guarantee your text is well-written and effective. Hiring a copywriter is one of the best ways to get high-quality content for your e-commerce business. If you do not have the internal resources to produce quality content regularly, you may want to consider working with a content marketing agency. A good agency will have experience creating content for e-commerce businesses and can help you develop a strategic plan that meets your business goals. In addition, an agency can provide the creative spark you may be lacking internally. And, perhaps best of all, working with an agency does not have to break the bank. There are many affordable agencies out there that can deliver quality results. So if you are looking for ways to get high-quality content for your e-commerce business without spending a fortune, finding a good content marketing agency should be at the top of your list. If you're looking for a more hands-off approach, consider using a freelance writer platform like PayPerWord. With PayPerWord, you can post your writing project on our site and receive bids from writers. Once you've found the ideal writer for your project, you can then communicate directly with them to discuss the details of your project. It is a great way to get high-quality content without managing the process yourself. Plus, you can use our platform to find writers from all over the world, so you're sure to find the perfect content writer who meets your needs and budget. As you can see, there are a number of ways that you can get high-quality content for your e-commerce business without spending a fortune. However, it's important to remember the quality of your content is more important than the quantity. So while it's necessary to focus on creating quality content, don't be afraid to experiment with different strategies and formats to find what works best for your business. PayPerWord can be a great resource for businesses who are looking to get high-quality content for a more affordable price. So if you're looking for a way to get quality content without spending more than you need to, be sure to visit PayPerWord.com to find the best writer for your e-commerce business today.